All right, so now dot container on hover, what will happen to image? Let's make transform scale. Let's make it say 1.2. And on this image, let's provide a transition. Transform 0.5 second ease. That's it. Let's hit save and let's take a look now. See. Now, the image on hover, it's zooming. But the thing is, we want the container width and height to remain fixed. I mean to say, we want to make its overflow hidden. Yes, friend. So by that, we can provide here, so dot container overflow hidden. Yes. Let's hit save and now let's take a look. See, you can even scale, you can even rotate it a little bit, you know. Let's do it. So rotate, let's make it around say 10 degree. Let's hit save. It's interesting, right? See, no, let's make it 5, not 10. Let's make it just a little bit, you know, 5. No, even 5 is just, let's make it say 2 degree. Let's hit save. Yeah, just a little bit, you know. Yeah, and even zoom, let's make it scale 1.1 and this one let's rotate it 3 degree. Let's hit save. Now, yeah, just a subtle effect, you know. See, you can do multiple things, you know. Let's do one thing. For the body, let's make its background color, not color. Let's provide background. And we are going to provide radial gradient. Let's make it circle. The center color, let's make it say kind of blue, and outer, let's make it black, and blue we are going to make it kind of this dark blue. All right, let's hit save and let's take a look. Yeah, okay, and let's add a box shadow to the container. So on hover, yeah, on hover, so dot container on hover, let's add a box shadow. CSS is fun, you know, you can do many things with it. So yeah, box shadow, let's make it pure white. Okay, so 0 0, let's blur it. First one 10 pixel and it's going to be RGBA 255 255, which is white, and opacity let's make it 0.8. Let's provide a comma and you can make it, okay, yeah, here only we have, let's make it So yeah, I guess this is fine. Let's hit save. Ooh. Okay. And to this container also, let's add a transition effect. So transition box shadow, because it is happening only on box shadow, 0.5 second is. Yeah, I guess it is too much, right? It's too much of white. Let's not do it. So this one, let's make it 0.6. This one, let's make it 0.4. And this one, let's make it 0.2. Now let's take a look. Yeah, this is kind of fine, right? Okay. You can even add overlay effect, kind of black overlay on it. You can have texts coming from right, from top, like this. Say image name, then image description. We will have, yeah, let's make it. We will have a really interesting hover effect at the end. Okay, image hover effect. So yeah, I guess you have learned few tricks with it. Okay, the trick is simple, friend. It's really very simple. We have a parent container. Inside we have this image container, and inside this image container we have this image. Now why I have made it like this? The concept is, inside this image container we can have content container like here, and this image will be positioned relative, and this content we can make it position absolute. You are getting the point, right? Okay, if not, not to worry, friend, we are going to do it, but not now. Let's cover some more interesting projects. Okay, so I hope that you have found it interesting. So see you in our next project. Till then, have fun, take care.